Imagine getting your entire gaming setup, keyboard, mouse, headset, and even a mat, all in one go. This wired mechanical keyboard, mouse mat headset kit promises exactly that, aiming to be your one-stop solution for a powerful PC experience. Right out of the box, the convenience of having everything you need is immediately apparent. The mechanical keyboard offers that satisfying tactile feedback gamers crave, with each key press feeling crisp and responsive. It's clear that the internal electronics components are designed for reliable, long-lasting performance, which is a huge plus when you're in the middle of an intense session. The gaming mouse feels comfortable in hand, providing precise tracking and quick clicks, essential for competitive play. You can really feel the quality in its movement, suggesting robust integrated circuits and chips are at work behind the scenes, ensuring smooth operation. Then there are the RGB headphones. They don't just look good with their vibrant lighting. The audio quality is immersive, pulling you right into the game world. The microphone clarity is also surprisingly good, making communication with teammates crystal clear. And let's not forget the mouse mat, a simple but crucial addition that provides a consistent surface for optimal mouse performance. Setting up this kit is incredibly straightforward. It's designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions that make installation a breeze, even if you're not a tech wizard. You just plug it in, and you're pretty much ready to dive into your favorite titles. The versatility claim, while broad, does speak to its general compatibility with various PC setups. What truly stands out is the confidence the brand places in its product. They talk about high-quality electronics components, and it translates into a solid, dependable feel across the entire kit. Plus, knowing there's a money-back guarantee and exceptional customer support available if you have any questions or concerns adds a significant layer of peace of mind. It's reassuring to know that a knowledgeable team is there to help. This kit isn't just a collection of peripherals, it feels like a cohesive system built for performance. While the detailed specs on individual components like ICs or voltage regulators aren't front and center, the overall experience suggests a well-engineered product. For anyone looking to upgrade their gaming station or start fresh with a reliable, all-in-one solution, this kit offers a compelling package. It delivers on its promise of quality and ease of use, making it a strong contender for your next gaming setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.